2001 Honda Accord. I need an opinion from you guys. Car started making noise. This is the same Honda Accord that I replaced the upper control arm on. Either way, the car started making a noise. It sounds like if it was coming from the strut, but it is not. I'm thinking it might be the lower ball joint, but I do not know. Maybe I'll work on this during the day tomorrow. But let me go ahead and turn it on and turn that wheel so you guys can see what's going on. See if you guys have any feedback on this. You hear that? Alright, I'm gonna put the camera under there and see if we see anything. I'm thinking it might be this right here. This right here, but I'm not sure. We got some kind of fluid up here. Let me see if I can set you guys down right here. Maybe you guys can hear it a little bit better. Let me know what you guys think.